Hello everyone, 10 Best Ones here again with another video, and in today's video we are going to check out the top 5 best dash cameras in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you wanna find out the price and more information about these dash cams, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Also, if you could win one of these dash cams, which one would it be? Leave your reply in the comment section down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the SpyTec A119. With this camera, you can capture any of your beautiful driving moments, or if you get into an accident, this camera will have everything already recorded for providing you strong evidence. The SpyTec A119 version 2 features a wedge-shaped design which helps in concealing the small footprint camera to the rear view mirror. From a performance perspective, this camera is very easy to attach and records in 1440p Full HD and 1080p at 60 frames per second. It doesn't even rely on a switch to be powered up, since it is fully automated, so when you turn on your car's ignition, this camera will start automatically recording, which is amazing. In addition, the video quality is really good, because it is equipped with an f1.8-inch glass lens, Novatec NT96660 processor, and the OV4689 sensor for recording quality footage during your day or during the night. Another interesting thing about this camera is the 160-degree viewing angle, which is wide enough to clearly capture your surrounding. Furthermore, the loop recording feature is a really good thing because it makes sure that you are not going to run out of memory, and on the other side it also has a built-in G sensor which automatically protects the captured video from being deleted before and after an accident. But that's not all. The A119 is also GPS enabled, so you will always be notified about where you're going. It tracks your speed and position as you travel, and it features Wi-Fi technology too. There are more features such as the park mode and motion mode, so you're ready to start your journey without worrying about anything. Under the LCD display, you can adjust all the camera settings such as muting the microphone, take photos, do time-lapse recordings and more. Before we finish, I want to mention that you can also add the 64GB memory card for recording an additional 7 hours of HD video, which is great. Moreover, using the capacitor which plugs directly into your car will also protect your camera against extreme temperatures, so you can enjoy your time in the mountains during the cold winters. To conclude, this is a durable and beautiful camera which records everything on the road regardless if you enjoy driving during the night or during the day. It will serve you well and you are going to capture clear footage everywhere you go. Next up, at number 4 we have the BlackSys CH-100B. This is a fully loaded dual-channel dash camera which offers plenty of great features and it comes at an affordable price. From a design perspective, it features a compact and classy design, it is very lightweight and it can be attached to your car without putting in huge effort. There are 4 buttons on the front of the camera, including an emergency button for easily capturing your footage, 2 of them are for raising or lowering the volume and 1 is for Wi-Fi. Now let's talk about the performance. The BlackSys CH-100B uses Sony CMOS sensor which provides motion and parking detection. These features are great of use for any type of dash camera. Moreover, with this sensor, from the moment you start the car, it will start recording and it will stop when you turn off your car. It will even extend the recordings by 5 seconds, which is not commonly shared by many dash cameras in the market. The video quality is very sharp, so regardless if you're driving during the day or during the nights, everything will be recorded in great quality. In addition, the front recording is in 1080p Full HD, while in the rear recording is 720p with 2.1 megapixels. The lens angle on the front is up to 135 degrees, while the rear is up to 130 degrees. There are even more features, for example, the loop recording feature which allows the camera to overwrite older videos when the memory card is full, and there is also the lock feature which is accompanied by the built-in G sensor to automatically lock the latest footage in case of an accident, so you will be armed with evidence, which is great. You shouldn't even worry if it is too hot or too cold outside, because it can survive freezing temperatures of down to -15 Celsius and extremely hot temperatures of up to 70 Celsius. You can put in a 128GB memory card, which is great because you will have enough storage for storing your footage anywhere you go. But that's not all. This camera is GPS enabled and you can turn the GPS on and off when in parking mode and configure the standby time. But unfortunately, it doesn't support GPS tagging unless you buy a foreign GPS unit, but that's not a big issue. Moreover, this device is Wi-Fi enabled and can be used with an application that is compatible with Android and iOS. This camera is easy to connect to your smartphones or tablets and you can transfer videos and pictures really quickly. Next up, at number 3 we have the Yi 2.7-inch dash camera. The Yi 2.7-inch screen Full HD dash camera is one of the most popular dash cameras on the market today, and you will understand why in a second, so let's get into it. From a design perspective, this model comes in a grey color, it has a sleek design, it's compact and it was designed to capture dynamic moving scenes while making safe recordings with a blink of an eye. Now let's talk about the performance. This dash camera was built with the advanced driver assistance system with an outstandingly optimized visual recognition algorithm, which will ensure that you are going to have a safe drive paired with a real-time lane departure system. Moreover, it records videos in 1080p with 60 fps and has the G-sensor technology for automatic footage saving. The sensor is great in accidents because everything will be recorded, saved, and you will be equipped with strong evidence about what happened. Furthermore, it supports H.264 video encoding for producing high-quality videos while optimizing the storage space for even more footage. The G-Smart dash camera uses a 165-degree ultra-wide all-angle glass lens which can monitor up to 3 lanes with ease. It is very sensitive and accurate, so your videos will be really detailed and sharp. Regardless if you're driving during the day or during the night vision is there armed with pixel density which is 44% greater than 1080p for delivering images like you would never think of having. In addition, the 2.7-inch LCD widescreen with 16:9 aspect ratio captures your whole surrounding and it is very user-friendly. But that's not all. There are more features such as the loop recording feature which automatically deletes old recordings and makes space for new ones. And there is the emergency recording feature which will be turned on if it senses that an accident could occur and it begins recording. You can extend your storage for 64GB with a microSD card which can be purchased separately. To conclude, this is one of the best dash cameras in the market and I'm sure that most of you are already convinced to take this camera into consideration because the quality is outstanding. With this camera you will feel much more confident and safer on the road. Next up, at number 2 we have the Thinkware F770. The Thinkware F770 is one of the best in the market because it has great security and amazing features for enhancing your driving experience. This dash camera has a sleek but wide and sturdy design paired with a low profile and a discreet shape with fully matte black finish which adds a lot to this device's elegant look. From a performance point of view, the F770 features Sony's 1080p Exmor sensor which records superb videos in 1080p resolution for both the front and the rear cameras. With a dual save and dual channel technology, the protection will be improved even more because you will get quality recordings. The dual save feature creates copies of every recorded video in the internal memory, while the dual channels adds more protection and security. If you run into an accident, this camera ensures that everything will be recorded and stored appropriately and you will have strong evidence of what happened. With a built-in GPS antenna, it tracks the road, the direction, and you will be notified about areas where driving can be safer and better. When in parking mode, the video is recorded at 1 fps, allowing up to 16 times longer recording time compared to most of the cameras in the market. But of course, that's not all. If you're driving during the night, the Super Night Vision feature will let it capture videos in low light or parking surveillance footage with reduced noise. If you want to have even greater memory storage, you can use a microSD card and you're good to go. Because we are living modern and dynamic lives, this device also has Wi-Fi and GPS technology, so it can easily deal with a modern way of living. You can connect this camera to your Android or iOS smartphone and you can stream, download recordings or configure the device based on your preferences with a compatible application. The simplest things are the best most of the time, so this camera gives you exactly that. Overall, this is a very high quality camera which has a ton of features built in, and the best of all is that it's very durable so it can last you for a very long time. The winner of today's video is the Racing V1 car dash camera which elevates your driving experience to a whole new level. It is equipped with amazing features and because it is incredibly affordable, this camera will change everything which you were previously used to. It has a classy and discreet design and it is lightweight enough to be installed very quickly so you can use it with ease. Now let's talk about the performance. The Racing V1 can record very high quality videos because it features a Sony Exmor IMX323 image sensor, so if something happens while you are driving, you will be able to see every detail clearly. Moreover, it has a 170-degree wide viewing angle which lets you record everything in front of your vehicle, paired with a 6-layer glass for maximizing your driving experience. The dynamic range feature is another great feature because it optimizes the camera to perform optimally in situations where the light is low. On the other hand, it will also automatically adjust the camera's exposure to capture clear videos. Because it features a G sensor, it will automatically record and log all of your footages from the moment it senses that something is wrong. The loop recordings also help you in maximizing your storage capacity by deleting the old videos and you will always have space for more content. If you still think that the memory won't be enough, then you can purchase a memory card separately which can increase its storage space. This is an incredibly cheap device which produces outstandingly well pictures and videos so you can have a great and safe trip. Overall, I think it's amazing and it has everything you would want from a dash cam. Enjoy your drive and don't worry about anything because this masterpiece is simply out of this world and will provide you with everything you need in your car. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If you wanna find out the price and more information about these dash cams, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to them, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.